Here what is the reason for these orders? Reason is according to Fasan rule, compound with smaller cation, is more covalent, whereas compound with larger cation is more ionic. That is the reason for order of covalent and ionic nature. These metal hydrides, that means ionic hydrides, these ionic hydrides are more reactive with water. Reaction with water. Reaction with water. They reacts with water and releases hydrogen gas. Releases hydrogen gas. They are more reactive with water, releases hydrogen gas. Especially lithium hydride, it has some peculiar characters. Lithium hydride, it has some peculiar characters. The first character is, at moderate temperatures, lithium hydride is unreactive with oxygen and chlorine. Oxygen and chlorine, they have high bond dissociation enthalpy. Due to that bond dissociation enthalpy, lithium hydride is relatively inert with oxygen and chlorine at moderate temperatures. At moderate temperature, LiH is unreactive with chlorine and oxygen. Lithium hydride especially used to prepare other metal hydrides. Lithium hydride is used to prepare other metal hydrides. It is used to prepare other metal hydrides. LiH, for example, LiH reacts with aluminum chloride. If LiH reacts with aluminum chloride, the product formed is LiAlH4. The product formed is LiAlH4. So, lithium hydride used to prepare LiAlH4. LiAlH4. What is the name of LiAlH4? The common name is lithium aluminum hydride. The common name is lithium aluminum hydride. Then what about the IUPAC name? IUPAC name of this compound. Here the first metal is lithium. This is a complex compound. While naming LiAlH4, we have to follow the IUPAC rules for naming complex compounds. Lithium, here H minus. H minus is called hydride. Hydride. In IUPAC naming of complex compounds, the negative ligand, the prefix of negative ligand ends with O. Ends with O instead of E. Hydride. Remove the last letter E and substitute with the alphabet O. hydrido. Here how many hydrido? Tetra. Lithium tetra hydrido. One more rule in IUPAC naming of complex compounds. If the complex ion is anion, complex ion is anion, the name of the metal should ends with 8. Here lithium is a positive ion, AlH4 is negative ion. That means complex is a negative complex. In negative complex, the name of the metal ion should end with 8. Here it is aluminum. The ending words, ending letters, alphabet should be ATE. So the last word is aluminate. Aluminate. Suppose the metal is cobalt, the ending word is cobaltate. That is the IUPAC rule for complex compounds, naming the complex compounds. Then at last we have to write the oxidation state of aluminum. Then what is the oxidation state of aluminum in LiAlH4? Here I am calculating the oxidation state of aluminum. Lithium oxidation state is +1. Suppose aluminum oxidation state is X. Here it is hydride. For hydride, the oxidation state is -1. 4 into -1. The total charge of this compound is 0, is equal to 0. Then X is nothing but oxidation state of aluminum. X is equal to +3. Then we have to write here the oxidation state in Roman letters. Roman letters. In organic compounds, in organic reactions, lithium aluminum hydride is used as strong reducing agent. In the same way, lithium hydride is also used to prepare sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, lithium borohydride, not sodium borohydride. LiH treated with BCl3, then it forms LiBH4. LiBH4. This is lithium borohydride. Lithium borohydride, that is the common name. What is the IUPAC name? In the same manner, here I am writing like this. In the same manner, lithium tetra hydrido borate, oxidation state same 3. LiBH4 is also used as reducing agent. It is also used as reducing agent. Few objective questions in this topic. Few objective questions. Question 1. Which of the following is ionic hydride? CH4, RBH, TiH, all of these. Here CH4, the carbon belongs to P block, so it is covalent hydride. Carbon belongs to P block, covalent hydride. TiH, titanium belongs to D block, so it is metallic hydride or interstitial hydride. So ionic hydride is S block. Rubidium is S block element, especially alkali metal. In the same way, second question. more covalent ionic hydride is? More covalent ionic hydride is? Among these BeH2 and MgH2 both are covalent. Among BeH2 and MgH2 which is more covalent? BeH2.